For this application, you will need 1 full strip of KT tape and 1 to 2 half strips. While sitting on a chair, cross your ankle over your knee. Begin preparing a strip of KT tape by creating a 2-inch anchor. Place the anchor on the outside of the big toe. Pull the backing away from the tape to leave a 2-inch anchor on the other end. Lightly stretch the tape along the side of your foot and adhere it to your heel. Finally, apply the second anchor without any stretch and finish with a gentle rub over the strip to ensure adhesion. Take a half strip and tear the backing paper in the center of the tape. Being careful not to touch the adhesive, hold the ends of the tape to apply an even, moderate stretch. Apply the strip directly over the point of pain, being sure not to stretch the ends as you lay them down. If necessary, repeat with the second half strip for added support. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.